Let's get started. That's the key right there. First, we need to get that physical key out of there. So press on that lever there, pull the key out. Now, once the key is out, we will need a screwdriver, right? Get a thick one. Get a wide, thick, flathead screwdriver. Put it in that slot over there in the remote, right there. Once it's there, just twist it. Just one twist, and that's it. See how that pried the clips open? Now we're going to use that to pry it open all the way, little by little. And that's it. Now the remote is open. There's a battery right over there. Same thing, get the screwdriver and press from where I'm pressing. Right? That's how you'll be able to pry the battery out. Yeah, and there it is. The battery comes out. Let's take a closer look at it. It's easy right there on it what type of battery it is. 2032 CR2032. That's the replacement battery type you have to get. Even on the remote it says that CR2032 with the positive side down. So get the new battery and put the battery in the way I'm showing over here, right? So you sort of press down on that metal clip, and that's how it locks in place. Then you get the other side of the remote, align them together, and simply press them together, and it'll clip. It's going to take a few seconds, so just be patient with it. Let's do that. And now we're done. Let's put the physical key back into the key fob remote so we don't lose it. Okay, that's good. Now let's go ahead and try it out. Okay, and that is working. That's pretty much it.